We like Blue Lake green beans. We planted the bush variety and they did well this year. We want to consider planting the pole version next year. Are there any differences between bush and pole beans we should prepare for?
You need a trellis.
You're gonna need a trellis, Mr. Guy, that's for sure, because that thing is gonna climb.
He'll climb, and you probably will have more beans because they'll continue. The harvest, you can spread the harvest out.
Yeah.
And you can produce more per square foot.
Right.
Than with the bush type beans.
Because the bush type is pretty much all at one time, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They pretty much they get ripe all at once, and you harvest them and you're done. But with pole beans, it's kind of spread out over length of time. But that's pretty much it. But you need a pretty strong trellis system.
Yeah.
One that can that can withstand summer thunderstorms and things like that.
Right. And a little weight.
Yeah, a little weight.
Yeah, a little weight.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.